Well, it's hard to believe, but here it is. It's late October. We're out for our final camping trip of 2020. We've had a great summer. We're here at Fundy National Park. We're just here for the day we got in last night. We're going to be here today and then head back home tomorrow. So I think the plan for today is we want to go down and we want to check out the new Goose River trail that was opened either this year or last year. We've hiked the Goose River quite a few times, but this is a brand new trail. It's supposed to have more views along the coast. So that should be fun. And then, of course, we're going to do our post-hike reward with some Saparano's pizza from downtown Alma, which is one of our favorite pizza places ever. And then campfire and wrap it up home tomorrow. Anyway, it's been a great season. Sad to see it end, but we had an awesome time staying right here in our own province. All right, this is our last night of camping for 2020.
Last night, see you later, 2020.
Went by really fast, but we had a great summer. I think maybe one of my favorite camping seasons so far.
What was your favorite one?
It's either Spednick Lake or the north side of Cushbequec.
North side of Cushbequec.
Yeah.
Spednick Lake was really awesome, but very hard to back into.
Yeah, once you got it in there, it was worth it, but it was some effort to get there.
That was our hardest
So
camping back up.
Great summer. We never left our province. So I guess even when things are strange, you can still have fun close to home.
Yep, we made the best of it. Next year is going to be a little bit different.
Maybe.
A little creative. Maybe have a kitten.
Oh, good Lord.
We have 2 cats at home, but
we'll talk about that.
I think Winston wants a kitten.
Yeah, Winston wants a kitten.
Winston doesn't want me to bother him because he has his bone.
So thanks for watching, and if you watched any of the videos from the summer, thanks for that. And I guess we'll see you in the spring.
See you in the spring.